Good morning, my loves. How are you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka your favorite Mama Ntilie, Mama Putin, aka Mtoto wa Homa Bay County. So today I'm going to show you a simple recipe to make githeri. It's simple, it's delicious. Na sile githeri inanyonga, ni githeri unaweza kula na avocado vizuri. Okay, so the ingredients are black pepper, cumin, Royco cubes, and of course the githeri. So in a sufuria, we are going to put in our onions. Then we're going to put in our cooking oil. We are going to let them cook the onions until they are golden brown. Okay? Okay. So the onions are golden brown. We are going to add our githeri, as you can see I'm doing. Bowl in a kasuku like me, as you can see, I'm going to add cumin. I use my eyes to measure, so that is about a half a teaspoon of cumin. Then you're going to add black pepper as much as you want according to your tolerance when it comes to pili pili or pepper. So this one that I'm adding is about also a half a teaspoon of black pepper. You can see there's water inside. I'm also going to add the 2 Royco cubes. And remember, if you're adding Royco cubes, first taste your food, because Royco cube tend to be salty. Your food might be too salty. So I'm going to stir this, and then I'm going to add it to my githeri and add more water to my githeri so that they can boil together. You have to give your ingredients time to simmer, boil, so that they don't taste funny in your food. You can see I poured that inside and there is some remaining, so I'm going to add water to that bowl and pour it in the githeri. I'm going to put enough water that is going to make the githeri simmer, the ingredients cook well. Black particles that you're seeing, those are black pepper. Here we go, our githeri is done. Look at how delicious it looks. I'm now going to serve it, and as you saw earlier in the video, I put a pili pili or a pepper on top like that so that it can look colorful, okay, so that I can have a good thumbnail. So we're going to serve this. I'm just going to show you how it's going to look. It was really delicious, and I hope when I talked about the Royco cubes, you did not forget to add salt in your food. You have to add salt in your food, salt to taste, salt according to your preference. Okay.